Hi, this is Easy Ed, and in this minute, we will be taking everything we have learned so far and doing something useful with it. The whole point of learning Python is to be able to solve problems. So let's start with a problem. Joe is from the United States, and he is planning a trip to Europe. He wants to bring the right clothing for the weather, so he looks on the local weather report, and the temperature is 24.1 degrees Celsius. Joe is not familiar with temperatures in Celsius and would like to see the temperature in Fahrenheit. How can we solve this problem using Python? First, I need to find the formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. I will search on Google. It says I need to take the temperature in Celsius, multiply by 9, then divide by 5, and finally add 32. I will go to Python and enter the temperature in Celsius, 24.1 multiplied by 9, divided by 5, and added to 32. I don't need to use any parentheses here because everything will be calculated in the right order. Python returns 75.38. So 24.1 degrees Celsius is equivalent to about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. What if I want Python to display the result in a sentence? Remember, sentences are sequences of letters and punctuation, and that data type in Python is called the string. So we can use some strings to print out the result in a sentence. We need to enter print, parentheses, then the string we want to display. Then we put a comma. Then we put our calculation, and then another comma, and finally another string to finish it up. At the end, we put a closing parentheses. Python will take everything inside the parentheses and stick it together. Then print this to the shell. All right, we have finally done something useful with Python. Go ahead and see if you can solve this problem in reverse. How would we take a temperature in Fahrenheit and display it in Celsius? There's one problem with our calculation here. This is fine for converting the temperature 24.1 degrees, but what if we want to be able to do the same for different temperatures? At this rate, we would have to enter the calculation every time. In the next minute, we will look at ways to avoid this senseless repetition. See you then.